Hey everyone, so I'm Enrique Lacal. I'm a maintainer of Hyperledger Firefly. I've also run the community for Hyperledger Firefly. I've been in this community of Firefly for the last 2 years, and I get a lot of benefit especially from the LFDT staff. I interact a lot with a lot of the community architects, a lot of the people actually running the show behind the scenes, organizing workshops and webinars, and I really get to outreach and talk to my community through them. But I also get a lot of help actually managing a lot of GitHub and a lot of the process of deploying codes and on putting code into GitHub and permissions and checks, things that you don't really see when you look at the code project, but under the covers there's a lot of work involved to build a community. So I'm really happy to be a member because I get a lot of resources from these guys and I actually learn a lot on how to build communities. And I'm looking forward to more summits like this one to learn more and bring more people into the LFDT community.